Hey, Banjo. You sitting there? Huh? You can touch your feet. Hey, little buddy. How you doing, little buddy? Is that better? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Is that better? Get another one in there? You got another one? Huh? Yeah? Working on it? One more? No? Just the hiccups? This is Banjo at 1 week. Little John. Today's your birthday. Well, birth celebration of 1 week. You want some food? Yeah. You want some food? Some food? Hmm? Yeah? What do you think? What happens when I do the flash on you? You like that? No, you're not phased. Alright. Let's get you some food. Yeah? Want some food? Okay. Cute. Oh, you're waving bye?